If you just drew a shape in SketchUp and it's the wrong size, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to change dimensions quickly and accurately. This is one of the easiest SketchUp skills to learn, and once you know it, you can save a ton of time instead of redrawing the same shape over and over. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. The most important thing to know is that SketchUp lets you enter exact measurements right after you draw a shape. So if you've just drawn a line, rectangle, or other basic form, do not click anywhere else yet. That moment right after creating the object is when SketchUp is ready to accept your new dimensions. First, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see the measurements box, sometimes called the value control box or VCB. This is where SketchUp reads the exact size you want to use. A lot of beginners miss this because they focus on the drawing area, but this small box is actually one of the most powerful tools in SketchUp. Now let's start with a line. If you want to change the length of a line, simply type the exact measurement you want. For example, you can type 5 feet by entering 5 apostrophe, or you can type 2 meters if you want the line to be 2 meters long. Once you type the value, just press enter. SketchUp will immediately update the line to that exact length. If you're working with a rectangle, the process is just as easy. After drawing the rectangle, type both dimensions separated by a comma. For example, you can enter 10 feet, 5 feet, or 3 meters, 2 meters, depending on the unit you want to use. Then press enter, and SketchUp will snap the rectangle to those exact dimensions. This is really useful when you need precision for floor plans, furniture layouts, models, or any project where exact sizing matters. Instead of trying to drag corners around until it looks right, you can simply tell SketchUp the exact dimensions you need. Here's a quick tip. Make sure you type the dimensions immediately after drawing the shape. If you click something else first, SketchUp may no longer be waiting for that input, and you may need to redraw the shape before entering the measurements again. So the best habit is to draw first, then type right away, then press enter. Also, pay attention to the units. SketchUp can work with feet, inches, meters, or other unit settings depending on your file setup. If you're using feet, type the apostrophe symbol for feet. If you're using meters, just type the number followed by meters. Keeping your units consistent will help you avoid mistakes and keep your model accurate. Once you get used to this, changing dimensions in SketchUp becomes incredibly fast. You can sketch rough shapes first and then precisely correct them in seconds. That's one of the reasons SketchUp is so popular for beginners and professionals alike. It gives you both speed and precision. So to recap, after drawing your shape, look at the measurements box in the bottom right, type the new dimensions, separate rectangle dimensions with a comma, and press enter. SketchUp will instantly resize the object to match your input. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials, beginner tips, and easy software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.